Hello, welcome to Technical Info. Today I am going to perform AM modulation. So before we start the practical, please like my channel, subscribe and press the bell icon button. So first of all, what is the AM modulation? AM modulation involves two kind of waves. A carrier wave is a high frequency wave. A single wave is a low frequency wave that possess the information. AM modulation is a process by which the wave signal is transmitting by the modulating the amplitude of signal. It is often called AM and is commonly used in transmitting a piece of information through a radio carrier wave. Amplitude modulation is mostly used in the form of electronic communication. Here I am using for AM modulation KL 93002 module, function generator for carrier signal, the second function generator for the audio signal or baseband signal, oscilloscope. So here first of all our carrier signal is 100 kilohertz. Our audio or baseband signal is 1 kilohertz. Now I am connecting on the IP1 for carrier and IP2 for single input. This is our audio wave and connecting ground. Here I am connecting the carrier signal in IP1. Two jumpers are connected, J1 and J3. Now I am connecting for output positive and ground. Here I am using the DSO. First probe is connected with the positive and the ground is connected with the ground. Now here you can see the modulated signal on the DSO. And now I am calculating. Press the measure through cursor. Maximum peak value is 1.18 volt. One division is 0.5, so 0.5 equal to 1 volt, and one division is 0.2 volt, so 0.2 means one division is left, so 1.18 volt is the maximum V peak amplitude, and the minimum amplitude is 420 millivolt. 420 millivolt. So now through this measurement table, Vmax is 1.18 volt and V minimum is 420 millivolt. So through this formula we will take the percentage of the amplitude modulation. Now through this formula, 1.18 minus 0.420 divided by 1.18 plus 0.420 into 100. So result is 0.76 divided by 1.6 volt into 100. So finally the percentage is 47.18% amplitude modulation is going on. Now here we can see the amplitude modulation is complete, and connect the input from the output of the AM modulation and connect the demodulation side. Output of the AM modulation connect the input of the AM demodulator, and ground is also connected with the ground. Now here we will take the demodulated signal. So demodulated signal, we will connect the DSO. Here you can see now the demodulated signal is this is our demodulated signal. So before we use baseband wave, audio signal, modulating wave, connecting wave for carrier wave, and the modulated wave is before we seen on the DSO. Here I am using for carrier wave 100 kilohertz, for baseband wave or audio wave 1 kilohertz, for carrier wave I am connecting IP1, for audio wave I am connecting IP2. Here I am using two jumpers because we haven't jumper, so I am using the connectors. This is the output section for modulated signal, and now I am demodulating the signal. The demodulating connecting output from the AM modulator and connect input in the demodulator. Ground with connect ground and the output with connect input. Here we are taking the output of demodulation. You can see the signal of the demodulated. Through this formula, we will solve the Vmax and Vminimum. Our percentage is 47% modulated signal. Thank you. Thank you for watching AR Technical Info. This is our demodulator signal.